Hey, it's Darren, and welcome to another edition of Auto Corrected. Today we're doing an oil change, an oil filter change, and an air filter change on a 2016 Audi A3 2.0 Premium Quattro. Now, I know that was a mouthful, but today we're going to talk about what kind of what's up with this car, and we're going to go over a little bit of the features of the car. Glad you stuck around, and let's go ahead and get into this. And remember, at Auto Corrected, we don't make mistakes; we make custom modifications. Auto Corrected, we don't make mistakes; we make custom modifications. So hey, I have a question for you guys. Boop it down in the comments if you know who is playing the background music for this video. Now I'll give you a little hint. He's a pretty popular feller, and this song was on the top 10 charts many years ago. But if you know who it is, stick around to the end if you don't, and you'll find out who. And put it down in the comments if you know who it is. Alright folks, anytime you jack up a car, make sure you put wheel chocks on your tires. That's what Brandon's doing back there. He's putting up wheel chocks. Yeah. All right. Now on this oil pan, it doesn't have a regular old nut and bolt style. It's got this little style here. It uses a screwdriver. It's got a rubber grommet on it. Make sure the rubber grommet's okay when you put it back together. Well, I've got some rag rags. Oh, grab that one off the thing, that old. Put this off. Alright, now it says 32 millimeter, but I don't think I got one that big. Let me see. But we can use, there's other options. Yeah. I was thinking channel lock. Brandon, go either there or over there and grab me a couple of the actual rags, paper towel type. We'll put them in here in case we have any leakage. Alright, see how this little filter is made? It sits inside this canister, and that's what you replace. You see, that's the very old. Set that down right there. Does this have a front or a back? Doesn't say, does it? Put that guy back down on top, right? It makes it really convenient that this thing's at the top of the engine. Alright, tightened up. Alright, now, Brandon, you want to go ahead? Let's get the tool. You can start taking this box apart so we can get you replace that. We took this off one time before, didn't we? Yeah, this sensor. Wait, is that a star bit? Oh, that's a star bit, dude. That's a star bit, my bad. Alright, that's it. Alright, here you go, buddy. Just be careful that none of that falls down. You're supposed to hold itself together, but you know how that works sometimes. I don't think they come all the way out. You remember, they like got the little keeper on that keeps them on the top. Yeah. Alright, let me check to see how much oil's still dripping here. Tell you what, I'm gonna go ahead and put that back in. Alright, buddy, I am going to drop this car back down, okay? All right, let's talk about this Audi A3 2.0. Good guess if you guessed this was a Volkswagen engine. Volkswagen owns Audi, and they've been using this. They've been using Audi and putting it on their Volkswagen platform for, actually, this is a third generation. The 16 model is a third generation. It's called the MGP, MGB, Mike Golf Bravo for you military type folks. So this 16 is also a Quattro, which means it's all-wheel drive. This also has a turbo. It's a 4-cylinder turbo engine. So anyone that guessed that this was a Volkswagen engine, great job. I appreciate you sticking around for the video. Please like and subscribe for more content. And remember, here at Auto Corrected, we don't make mistakes, we make custom modifications.